How to remove axes, legends, and white padding. I would like to apply color map to an image and write the resulting image without using axes, labels, titles, or anything automatically added by matplotlib. Here's what I did. It successfully removes the axis of the figure, but the figure saved presents a white padding and a frame around the actual image. How can I remove them, at least the white padding?
The access of method resolves one of the problems more succinctly than separately changing each axis and border. It still leaves the white space around the border, however. Adding box_inches equals type to the savefig command almost gets you there. You can see in the example below that the white space left is much smaller, but still present. Newer versions of matplotlib may require box_inches equals 0 instead of the string type via at episode yong and at getrec.
I learned this trick from MateHat, here. Yields.
Possible simplest solution. I simply combine the method described in the question and the method from the answer by hooked. After this code there is no white spaces and no frame.
No one mentioned in Java yet, which makes this a one-liner. It directly stores the image as it is, i.e. does not add any axes or border or padding.
plt.savefig, example.png, bbox_inches equals a type, pad_inches equals 0. Gets me the borderless image.
Here's the secure layer and step